What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having an awesome day today. We got a lot going on, but this video I'm going to talk to you about how we almost had a disaster on the house build. So what's up, guys? We avoided a pretty big mess up, barely. And we walk over here and show you what I'm talking about. Now we are putting, it's like a man-made stone around our house. I'll get over here in the shade and show you some of it. And we've been having issues with the delivery. Now, I'll show you over here. Hold on a second. Now the rock was supposed to be delivered, like last week sometime. Well, they ended up delivering 3 boxes of it. Hello. Hey, they haven't delivered it yet, and I text that guy, and he's calling his dispatcher. Okay, so we're actually I just had a phone call. It was my rock guy. I feel bad for him because they're giving me the rock people are giving me a runaround in my masonry. So I'm conveying the message over to him. Hey, they're going to have the rock here. On this time, this date. So he comes up, they get up here, and they get to working. Okay, they bring all their stuff because the rock's supposed to be here. So they already had 3 boxes of this rock, and I'll show you guys. We'll walk over and I'll show it to you. Now they already had 3 loads of this rock delivered. And the deal was what we're doing. We ordered 11 boxes, and 8 of them are like a brown rock, and 3 of them are gray rock. Okay, so the salesman that we bought it from over in Tulsa, I'm trying my hardest not to give these people a bad review because he was super nice, super helpful whenever we picked out the rock, the stone, whatever you want to call it. It's man-made. Hey, Gabby. He was super helpful and really nice. And I'm trying to give him every opportunity in the world to get this right, but I keep getting the runaround. It's really frustrating, and the disaster that we barely avoided was that the masonry already started putting rock up, and that's one thing when you're self-contracting it. You're not always here. I have to work. So I wasn't here to actually look at everything, but they delivered the 3 loads of the 3 pallets of rock. They said we're going to deliver 3 loads of it, or 3 pallets of it, so you guys can start working, and then that way when they're done with that, the other stuff will be there. Well, I didn't think about it, but my wife said I just assumed that they already had this stuff pre-mixed, 70-30% blend or whatever. But no, my wife came out and said that looks like it's all gray rock because there's only supposed to be 30% gray rock. So I was like, oh crap, I need to call. I'm gonna call I'll call the office up there in Tulsa and find out. So I end up finally talking to someone, and they tell me no, that's all 3 of the gray rock, and they already had. I'll walk over here. They already had a bunch of it put up. So I finally got a hold of my masonry, and he was working, so he didn't answer the phone for a long time. I'm like, oh my gosh, what a disaster. I feel bad because they end up taking a bunch of their work down already. So it's just frustrating. It's really frustrating that this company keeps telling me that they're going to deliver the rock, but then it doesn't show up. He's like, oh, it's going to be there Wednesday. Okay, no, Thursday. Okay, now Friday. Never hear anything from them. I have to reach out to them and let them know, hey, it hasn't showed up. And then today, it doesn't show up whenever I get home. Like it's supposed to be after lunch. Okay, I get home after 5, and it's still not here. This is all the rock they had up, and I'll zoom in on that here in just a second. But it's just so frustrating because we already paid for the rock. That's the thing. You have to pay for the rock before they'll even set the delivery date. So they already got your money. That's what my masons, they don't care. They already got your money. They don't care if it shows up next month. And that's the thing. They delivered the 3, but they even tell me, I don't know this stuff. Obviously, I didn't know it was, maybe I should know, but I didn't know. But so it's just really frustrating. You guys can probably tell that I'm not very happy about this, and I'm trying, like I said, I'm trying my hardest. I don't want to drop any names with this company yet because I want my rock. But no, it's just crazy. It's just crazy that that you get the runaround like this from a salesman that seems like a pretty nice guy. I guess they all do, because that's why they're good salesmen. He must be a really good salesman. I don't know what to do. I mean, I don't know what to do. My masonry guy's supposed to bring his crew back in the morning because the stuff was supposed to be here. He just called me, asked me what I've heard, and I told him the guy's supposed to be calling us dispatch. He said the stuff was already supposed to be there, and he didn't know why it wasn't. Is that true or not? I don't know, because that's like the third time he told me it's supposed to be delivered and it wasn't. So it's coming to a point where, where's the rock at? Is it still in Texas? Because I think it was coming up from Texas. That might be a problem. They know there's a big Oklahoma Sooner fan up here in OU country that needs rock, and they're delaying it. No, I doubt it's that. Well, I don't know. But anyways, it's just, where is the rock at? It's not here. It's not here. And I don't know what to do, because we got to get this stuff done. Our masonry people, they got to go to other jobs. This isn't the only job they got. They try to schedule this stuff up. They know it's going to take this many days to do this. That way they can work out their schedule, and it just puts everybody behind. And I like to believe the salesman's telling me the truth. Like I said, this is the third time that the rock hasn't got delivered when it was supposed to be here. I don't know. I don't know if I'm getting ready to call their corporate office and see. I don't know what to do. You guys got any suggestions? I mean, it'd be easy to say, you know what, just give me my money back, I'll use someone else. But we've already got all the rock. We've already got that rock all laid out, and then it just put us even further behind. So that's not really an option. It's one of them things that you just have to wait. Just hopefully it shows up tomorrow, and then when it doesn't, just get irritated some more. I don't get stressed very easily at all. I think this has a lot to do with it right here. The Marine Corps has prepared me for stress in my life, and I don't get stressed out very often. I'm not stressed now, I'm just irritated. It's just very annoying whenever you pay someone thousands and thousands of dollars for a product that they tell you it's going to be here on this date, and it's not on that date and on that date. You guys see it. Without me rambling on for 30 minutes about how I'm frustrated, I'll just show you guys some of the stuff we got going on. They actually started drywalling, sheetrocking the house on the inside. I'll probably make another video just on that. But I posted a video and it showed a couple tractors with Gabby in there. What it is, we have people over here belling our 10 acres and my uncle's 14 acres right next to me. So that's what those tractors were here for. No, I didn't get a free tractor like Daniel from Orange Family Homestead, but no, they're just over here. They try to bell twice a year, and it's that time. And I'm glad they're getting it belled now, because there's a lot of hay out there, and I'll kind of skim. I'll try to skim through it over there so you guys kind of see. But I want to get that fence up for the sheep. I've talked to you guys about that before in other videos. They got the grass cut, so now I can start driving T-posts. I got a lot of things. We got a lot of things going on. Building a house. I need to build the pig pen. I got to do the sheep pen. I mean, we are busy. So, and then I gotta worry about them delivering rock on top of that. Rock or stone, whatever you want to call it. They said it's a man-made, but then they stain it or whatnot. It looks pretty good. It actually looks really good. And we're excited for it to get put up if it would just all get here. So I'll keep you guys updated on this situation. Like I said, what would you guys do? Would you call their corporate office? I might be talking to their corporate office. I don't know. It's just, I really don't know what to do at this point other than just sit and wait and keep letting them give me the runaround. I don't know. Give me some comments, some suggestions down below. It's just really annoying. So here's a pile that my wife said they already had this all put up around there. She said it looked really good, but I just feel bad that they had to tear it all down that way, but we get the mixture right. Because if they would have got that up, if my wife didn't see it, by the time I got home, it probably been too late. They would have been set up. It would have been a disaster, in my opinion, in my wife's opinion. That would have been terrible. For them to get all that up, and then it sets up, and then we have to take it down somehow. Not a good thing at all. Not a good thing. I'm just glad we avoided it before the whole house was done. We're doing it all the way up to the window. I'm not sure how far they got up. She said they got up pretty high, like 3 levels high. And that rock's pretty good size. You can see. What you doing, Gabs? So that's how we avoided disaster. My wife caught it. I called the company, finally got it all figured out. Thankfully, it wasn't set up, and they were able to take it down. It just sucks that they had to do some work. They're going to have to do work twice. It's terrible. No one likes doing work twice, and especially when it's freaking 110 degrees outside. We actually had like a heat wave come in the last few days in Oklahoma, and these guys get out here pretty early, but it's still hot. I feel bad for them. But all right, guys, once we get this all figured out, I'll give you guys an update, show you guys the stone, the rock, whatever you want to call it. Same thing, I guess. I don't know. I'll give you guys an update on all that once we get it all figured out and finally get it delivered and get it put up. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you guys like this video of me rambling on, sometimes it's just good to vent to you guys. I know you guys are all interested in the house build, and this is part of self-contracting that some of the headache you have to deal with. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you liked the video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you get a chance, click that little bell to get notifications whenever I put new content out about me crying about the company's not sending me the right product, send me the product when they're supposed to be sending it to me. All right, guys, catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.